Hi guys, welcome back to Ali Reviews tutorial series. In today's video, you'll learn how to create, customize and display a review box on your online store. Let's get to it. From the main menu, open the Show tab. You are able to add a review box on any pages that you want. We already set a default review box on your product page. You can customize the look of your review box just by a few clicks. Name your widget for easier identification. Change the review box appearance on look and feel settings. You will have two options here, to use the general theme settings for all widget or use the customized settings for each widget. Quickly customize the review box to match your store theme. Enable or disable the elements on the review box according to your needs. Translate the local text on the widget to your language. Let's move to the next settings, product options. On the product page, there's only one option, to show the reviews of this product. Set the specific audience who can view the review box. For example, if I set location as United Kingdom, only visitors are from United Kingdom can see the review box. Interaction settings, set how the visitors can interact with the review box. All done. Remember to save your settings. Open your store to see how it works.